Hi guys, so today I'm here to teach you about how to convert between units of measurement. Units of measurement can be things like meters, liters, yards, and feet. Now, units of measurement measure things that quantify how much of something we have or how long something is. Right now we're going to focus on the metric system, which uses meters and liters. We'll talk about yards and feet on another day because that's part of a different system. The metric system operates on a set of prefixes attached to each base. So a base would be like meters. You could have something like kilometers, centimeters, or decimeters. The same goes for liters. You can have deciliters, kiloliters, and centiliters. Now what do these prefixes mean? These prefixes show how large something is in comparison to the base. So like 1 liter would be 100 centiliters. The same goes for meters. 1 meter would be the same as 100 centimeters. And you can prove this to yourself because if you look at a ruler, you can see that these centimeters are very small units. But if you were to say, look at 1 whole meter, you can see that it's a lot larger than just 1 centimeter. Now, how to convert between these things, you'll have to know how large it is and how small it is. So say I was trying to convert between centimeters and meters. If I had, say, 40 centimeters, and I wanted to convert it to a number of meters, how would I do this? If I were to go from a smaller unit, and we'll talk about how you know something's a smaller or larger unit towards the end of the lesson, you would divide the smaller unit by how many units it takes to make up that larger unit. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? Because we know this, and we wanted to change it into meters, we would divide 40 by 100. Now if we do that, this gives us 0.4 meters, right? This is the correct answer. If we wanted to go from something like liters, say I had 5 liters, and I wanted to change it to centiliters. How would I do this? I would do something similar to what I did up here, but I would do the reverse. Instead of dividing by 100, here I would multiply by 100. Yeah. So if you were to multiply 5 by 100, that would give you 500, right? This is 500 centiliters. And we know that's right too. Now how we know that this is right is because we can look at a scale of how big something is in comparison to our main base. I like to use this little mnemonic that I learned in middle school from my math teacher that goes, kangaroos hop down mountains drinking chocolate milk. I underline the middle M because that would be in place of your main base. Like meters, liters, your main base goes here. These other letters are your prefixes. And you would say, well, how do I know what stands for what? How do kangaroos hopping down mountains drinking chocolate milk help me remember how big a prefix is or how small it is? Well, if you look at it, and this may take a little bit of memorization, but that's okay. Kilo is K. Hecta is H. Deca is the first D. This is your base. Deci is your second. Centi is your C. And milli is your third. M. Now, kilos are larger than hectas, and so on and so forth. So we can see that the smallest is milli, and the largest is kilo. And so based on that, you can divide on a power of 10. So if we were to go from meters to deci, that would be a difference of 10. If we were to go from meters to centi, that would be a difference of 100. If we were to go from meters to hecta, that would be a difference of 100 as well. So if we were to change from meters, we had 1 meter equals 1,000 milliliters. And 1 hectometer equals 100 meters. Okay? So that's how we would be able to convert, using prefixes, multiplication, and division.